Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have 3 gardens and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden, and in this update, they add new slot. So when you click this menu, you will see save slot 3. It means that you can have 3 gardens and grow a garden. And if I'm not mistaken, you will need 100 billion shackles to buy the 3rd slot, and I have already bought this 3rd slot and it's still empty guys. I haven't planted something here, and yeah, you just need to buy it, so you don't need to rebirth with the garden coins to get new garden. And I'm so happy for this update because finally I can have 3 slots in my garden. And okay guys, that's how we can have 3 gardens and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.